Have you ever wanted to share an interactive map with your team while making sure everyone has access only to the information they need? With MAPOG's role-based permissions, you can securely collaborate on maps by deciding exactly who can view, edit, or manage your map. Firstly, go to story.mapog.com. Click on Create and Publish Maps. Open the map you want to share with your team. Now click on Preview and Share. Under the Map Type section, select Private. Private sharing is designed for secure internal collaboration, allowing you to control exactly who can access your map. Next, open the Settings tab and go to Attributes. Choose your location type, and you'll see all the available attributes for your map. Select only the fields you want your collaborators to view and hide the rest. This ensures that sensitive information remains protected while your team only sees the data relevant to their work. Now switch to the Access tab and click Add User. Here you'll see a list of members already available in your workspace. Simply select one or multiple members you want to give access to. If the person isn't part of your workspace yet, click Add Member. Enter their email address and choose their workspace role. Admins have full control over the workspace. They can manage maps, story points, editors, contributors, viewers, layers, and map settings. If you select others, you can assign the member as an editor who can edit map content, a contributor who can contribute with limited editing permissions, or a viewer who has read-only access. Once you've selected the role, click Invite to add them to your workspace. Once the member has been added to your workspace, select them from the member list and assign their map access role. Editors can edit existing content, add or remove story points, and manage viewers and contributors. However, they cannot delete the map or create admin users. Viewers can only view the assigned map and cannot make any changes. Once everything is configured, click Invite. The selected members will receive access to the map with only the permissions you've assigned, making collaboration secure, organized, and easy to manage. With MAPOG's role-based permissions, your entire team can work from the same interactive map while ensuring everyone has the right level of access. If you need any help with uploading data, creating map stories, performing map analysis, or GIS and mapping consultancy, feel free to contact us anytime at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.